to Motor Addicts, one and all. Today's little episode that we're going to do, oh here we go, we've got a load of boys coming this way, look at them, beautiful, oh my god, did you see that? I wouldn't. We'll try and censor that out, cheers Rich. So what we're going to do is, oh hang on, I'm getting my arse slapped as well, stop it. I will get this started in a minute, but we'll try our hardest. Oh, you spoke to your mum? Is that why you had to discount 500 quid off the rear wheel drive Fiesta?
That's your fault.
Yeah, because we done a video and said it was slow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you, again, a lot of questions are asked. What do you guys do for a living? What is the workshop? What is everything else? So myself, I buy and sell cars from Kent Carcraft, even though I'm nothing to do with Kent Carcraft. That's Owen's baby. So I'll also show you what Owen does. What Owen does, we don't swap V8s into VW Lupos. We've had a lot of people ask. It's a bit of a pointless question for us to do. It's just not feasible to do that sort of job. But Kent Carcraft, I'm just watching. I'm going to get a whack in the Weibos. But what Kent Carcraft do is they are a MOT service and repair centre. But we do get some fruity stuff in because that's what we were brought up on and that's what we like doing. So what we're going to do is going to have a walk around, show you what we've got in, what's different, what's working, what's happening over the week. And if it's any good to you, we'll keep doing these videos. But let us know. Let's go and have a walk around. Go on then, explain.
Explain what? What
the situation is.
What is the situation? What's the situation? Tia's one. This is Tia.
Hi.
Tia is one of the few women who actually knows about cars and wants to get involved and actually fix
lie.
them. There we go.
Got the nails done as well.
There you go, see?
Lovely.
So actually the first thing was the car's coming to have its tracking done and we couldn't do it because it was too low. So that coilovers fitted by her and your partner, wasn't it?
Yes.
I think, yeah.
Me and my partner.
And the wheel arch was too low over the tyre, so we can't hook the gear over to actually set the tracking up. So we were like, well, it needs to be raised up a bit. So it comes back 40 minutes later, all sorted, dirty hands the lot.
It ain't sorted though.
No, it's raised up, isn't it? But we're going to find out from Adam, who's just walked in the door.
Another
Have you broken an inch?
Oh no, that's not what I say.
Half an inch.
So what we're going to do, is that better? So this lovely lady has brought her car in.
Well done, by the way, for doing that.
Very welcome.
She's raised the suspension a small amount. However,
Another half an inch.
there you go.
Right, well,
Can I
go
not
and
just do
get
it here
sorted.
and like right here?
Go for it.
Just give me the jacks and I'll do it here. Literally.
Right, I'll go and get the jack. Jack.
Gonna do it.
Alright, get it done. Now, I'm taking you to the corner of death, where everything goes to die. So anything that is not getting fixed, let's bother these absolute numbskulls. What have you broke?
Richard's car's broken again.
You always got
What's up with
something
you?
broken.
I can't see you.
I can see you.
Yeah, get out of it.
Don't touch me. Right, is it working now?
No, not yet.
Why not?
Because I've got to do other people's stuff. Like
Oh.
your
Hang on, you ain't doing my shit. I asked you would you do it, and you said no.
Not that.
Why aren't you going to do TT? Tell me why.
Too many T's in it.
Too many T's in it?
It's fucked.
Well, it's a titty.
Do you want a hug?
No,
You seem angry.
I am angry. I won't fix my car.
This is because you're slow McGann.
I haven't got a slow McGann.
It's not what the time 0 to 60 says.
6 seconds.
Yeah, I see that.
What, 6 seconds?
Oh no, we don't talk
What's
about that,
up,
do
3
we?
seconds?
Have you got a
He was
car
gonna
that
get
actually
upset.
fucking works, actually? Well, none of your cars work, do they?
No, you got a point.
Yeah, exactly. Right, so now they're doing one. Let's continue. So yeah, that was Rich's car. That's his track car, actually, and we've got a track day in a month. So, as he says, he thinks he's going to beat me. As you may be able to see behind me, that is another car that Owen's bought. Came in from a customer that was driving down the road, and literally what happened, it was bellowing smoke out the back. So she knew there's obviously a big problem. We thought maybe the turbo had shut itself. It didn't, and which is very common on these cars, is the cylinders just give out, or the pistons give out. And on this one, the piston ring went in cylinder 2, And yeah, it's a mess, and the customer couldn't afford to get it fixed. So Aaron actually paid a fair price for it to get it fixed, put the money into it, and what he's actually going to do with it, instead of putting standard pistons back in, he's actually going to put forged pistons in it, and rods and everything else, just to get it, because these cars are prone for blowing engines. I had one of these, and I've just finished paying the finance on it, even though I haven't had the car for 4 years. So that went through gearboxes and an engine, and yeah, I wouldn't have it again. So for me, it's a beautiful car though. The wheels are in pretty good nick, to be fair. It's got a little mark here. Obviously we probably won't go to the extent of doing the wheels, just because of the fact is that we're more worried about the mechanical, and we only do mechanical, so we don't actually do body work. But yeah, it's all nice. Let's continue. What else have we got that's dead? How about this? Well, it's not dead, it moves, but it's one of the weirdest things I've ever seen. Look at that. The TT, as I mentioned earlier, big news coming with that one, and we'll share it probably this week or next week. But yeah, we're going to be working with someone that actually is going to help us. Well, I'm not going to go too much into it, but we'll come back to that. I thought you were doing it. Don't palm it onto the fella. Get it done. You're bloody professional at this.
Professional.
Go on. Yes. She's doing it, Ad.
She's doing it.
She did get the fella involved though, which I think is a bit wrong. I blame you for getting involved. You should just let her do it. Careful your nails.
Don't take them all off
She
fully.
pulled a nail off earlier.
Did she?
It was like literally gone.
Well, there you go. It's 50 quid out the window, isn't it? VXR's now running. Look at that. Does sound good. VXRs, I don't know. They're one of them cars that you look at and think, I'd love to have one of them, but would I buy one? Even though I have had an Astra J, this is an Astra H, but Rich, it's alive.
Yeah, it doesn't so healthy though.
What, it's not too healthy?
No, it's head gasket went, didn't it?
Yeah, head gasket went, but it's not smoking anymore, which is...
No, it went for the cabbage to sort of slide down.
Oh yes. What sort of... Is this your race car?
The race car. You like?
It's a bit loud. What? It's got a bit of damage. Oh, hang on, it's moving. Do you like the VXR?
No.
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 How about the one that we got in the corner that Owen's bought?
No.
You don't like that one either?
No.
What do you like then?
Don't like Vauxhalls.
Right, you don't like boxes. What do you like?
Motorbikes.
Right, enough of that. A mechanic, he likes motorbikes. Actually, we'll show you his motorbike because that's actually in here as well, which is here. Dan's motorbike, which is in the middle of the building. It's been off the road for quite a while. The Escort is actually having a bit of major surgery because it's due to race at the end of the month. End of the month? No, next week. So not this weekend coming, the weekend after, that is due on track. So, is it going to be done? I don't know. But bless her, she's just been sitting there for ages now. Since Jamie came down, we thought we'd fixed it, we hadn't. Now the gearbox is out of it. We've had to send it down the road and get it TIG welded and everything else. Basically, we found a big crack. I may have a photo of it somewhere that I may put in. But yeah, it's got a big crack in it. It's absolutely... It's not buggered because it's fixable. It just needs a bit of welding. But basically, all the way around the casing of the gearbox, it's cracked and you can see light through it. So obviously the last run that he done with Jamie in the car obviously gave it a bit, well, it's rattled the hell out of it and it's obviously just damaged the gearbox. If you've got any ideas for content, let us know because I think that would be great to do some bits in. But yeah, let us know what you think we should do. Right, we're now going to chase up to see if this girl's actually lifted her car from the coilovers. Are you winding me up? Wind this done.
It is done.
Is it? You after a job?
Yeah.
Right, she's after a job, oh.
Yeah, need more staff.
Needs more staff.
Get the job done quicker.
Well, seems that way, doesn't it? I actually like it. This is your first car, isn't it? Well, it's not your first car.
Second first.
It's your second car because the one that you actually bought was crap. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And now
She's a lot better now.
Now you've decided to go out and get a decent one.
Yeah.
Well done. I like it. It's pretty cool. It's a bit low, but then that's the thing nowadays, and it stance. That's a cool looking car. Yeah, it is what it is. Oh, but that's still the winner.
I did say 10 to 5. You knock back here, it's done 10 to 5. We can't do it.
This is drama. She's just been out there sweating, hiring a car for you.
Things you do for family. Oh no, you nothing.
Bang out of order.
Why do I put stupid stance shocks on?
Well, there is that.
Oh,
but
it's been tracked.
there is that. But
Come on, it's going to be like a cockfight. Right.
No, tell you what, you can tell the next person that's supposed to be turning up, I'll do your car now, and you explain to them why I ain't doing their car.
you're doing your
Now that sounds fair, doesn't it? Just do it. Imagine the look on the face. Do it.
But sorry, my car's more important.
Yeah, exactly right. It's a red Fiesta. He's doing it.
Folded.
You're a nice guy, Rich. Rich.
Well done, Rich.
Richard.
Means a lot.
Dick.
I love that you give it to him. That's so hilarious.
Dick. Well done.
That little knife, little bit. He probably wouldn't have done that.
Yeah.
I know.
Oh yeah. Send your family out unsafe.
Yeah.
Bang out of order, Owen.
Oh, that's brilliant. That's made me smile. That is.
He's not happy about it though.
Of course he's not happy. But I wouldn't be happy. You came down here, you've done your coilovers and everything.
In record time.
In record time. You wouldn't catch me doing that. You wrote it off. Are you happy about that?
It's a car.
Yeah. You wouldn't be saying that if it actually happened. Such a nice guy, Rich. I love you, I'm sorry.
No, see, this is what happens. Told 10 to 5, now you're not fucking pushing me, now I've got to do it.
I'm not pressuring you, it's a joke. Oh, Rich, it's a joke. He ain't happy now. And on that note, we're going to end it there.
Yes.
Rich is not happy.
Good. It's funny, isn't it, though? It is funny seeing him wound up.
He's like...
Everyone likes a wind up, though.
Well,
She said she's going to get it in the neck later.
you are going to get in the neck. He's fucking
He's gonna moan at my mum about it.
He's literally said, "Oh, you're all out of order. You just pressured me into doing it."
If you really didn't want to do it, I would have just come back tomorrow.
Well, that's out of order. Why didn't you tell him that?
That's hilarious.
Fight me.
Fight me.
Fight me.
I'll fight you.
I'm not afraid.
Right, Owen, sign
Yeah.
off. I've said on that note we're going because Rich is going. We're going to have to do the wrap.
Well, I'd love to sign off, but I'm going to be here for the next half an hour doing paperwork. Unlike
no,
you
you're
fuckers,
signing
you
off.
can just
That means-
disappear whenever you like. Graft, mate. That's what it is.
Well, I'm here grafted.
We can walk around with a fucking camera.
Well, exactly. I get to just talk crap, really. Anyway, say goodbye.
Bye for now.
Bye.